Hello, in this video we'll show you how to correctly apply a screen protector to your phone. Before we begin, let's see what the EasyArmour package contains. 2 screen protectors, 2 cleaning kits, each includes an alcohol wipe, a microfiber cloth and a dust sticker, 2 squeegees for removing bubbles. First, if your phone already has an old screen protector, carefully remove it. Now let's open the cleaning kit included in the package. Inside you'll find the alcohol wipe used to degrease the screen, the microfiber cloth to wipe and dry the screen, the dust sticker, perfect for removing any leftover particles from the surface. Let's get started with cleaning. Open the alcohol wipe and thoroughly clean the screen to remove dirt, grease, and other impurities. Make sure to pass the wipe over the entire screen, including the corners, to ensure no area is missed. After cleaning the screen with the alcohol wipe to remove dirt and grease, take the microfiber cloth from the kit. Using the cloth, carefully wipe the screen to remove any moisture. Make sure to go over the entire surface, including the corners of the screen, to ensure it is completely dry and spotless. Place the installation kit over the phone with the arrow pointing toward the speaker. Hold the end of the phone and gently pull the strip to apply the screen protector evenly. Now, gently press your finger on the hole at the base of the installation kit to secure the screen protector onto the phone's screen. Next, hold the base of the phone with one hand, and with the other hand, slowly start peeling off the black film. Pull it gently and evenly so the screen protector detaches correctly from the installation kit, leaving no bubbles or misalignments. Leave the phone for 30 seconds to allow the screen protector to properly adhere to the display. Then, gently remove the installation kit by pulling it upward. Use the squeegee to push larger bubbles towards the edges. If there are smaller bubbles left, don't worry. They will disappear on their own within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing EasyArmour. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help.